Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam, Penang. Right now I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. Now if you look behind me on the whiteboard, you can see my WhatsApp number 019 7878 299. So this WhatsApp number is for those of you who wish to buy my book. And this is the book I'm talking about. So actually we printed more than the order, but all these books have already been sold out. We have finished selling. So this is the front page before you actually go into the content and the exercises. So now, because we are still receiving orders, although there are no more books, and we have people asking if they can buy this book, but the first order is already finished. We do not have any more. So now we are taking the second order. That is why you still can buy this book. Just WhatsApp to me now, and we will have the second printing, after which we will send the books to you. So this book is level 1. So level 1 is around this level. So it's not what people think that level 1 is like very basic. It is basic, but not that basic. So it can be used for secondary school, but if primary school you have reached a certain level, you can also use it. It's not a problem. And for adults as well, who have left school for a long time and they want to, get back that foundation, and they want to start learning English again, you are most welcome to buy. Okay, and this book has 1,384 questions with 165 pages. Of course, this is only the front page. Inside there are no drawings and no pictures, because I feel that those things are not necessary. So the main thing is still the content. This is a complete grammar book, and inside I have notes to explain every grammar usage and examples before every exercise, and behind are all the answers that are provided. So basically this is a self-study book. But on the 1st of July, if you see behind me, on the 1st of July 2020, I will be teaching this book. I won't be doing all this anymore. I will be teaching this book from the first page to the last page. So once you have got this book, you can do it by yourself. Look for the answers behind, check your answers, and after that you can come to my YouTube channel and sit down and listen to me teaching what you have done, and see whether your mastery of the language improves, or whether you understand better, or whether you fully understand now why you were wrong. So I will bring you from the first page to the last page. And this is a topical book, so it is easy, topic by topic. Once you have finished the whole book, then you can consider going into mixed exercises, where all the grammar is all mixed together, in a model test form. And then you can just, test yourself, challenge yourself, how much you actually understand and how well you have grasped this language. And after that, you can go to level 2 and level 3 and level 4. Alright, so remember, if you want to buy this book, please WhatsApp me now. Okay, we are now at lesson 193. Still at prepositions, as I told you. Prepositions is very wide. There are so many. Prepositions are important when we want to let people know the location of a place or the time something happened. Okay, we need prepositions. So here I have given you 6 prepositions. Under, I'm sure you know, under the table. Through. That usually through is like you have an opening and then you go in the middle. Between, that means there are 2 at your side, whether it's 2 people or 2 things. Against, normally when you lean against the wall. Across, when you run across the road from this side to that side. With is very wide. Usually I write with a pen, I go with somebody, you know, it's very wide. As usual, I have created here 24 sentences or statements using these 6 prepositions. So practically every preposition here, I have given you 4 examples to make you understand better. Sometimes it's just not enough to explain. You need examples to back up. So here the first one is, the cat is sleeping under the table. The girls sat under the tree. The tree is up there. The girl is hiding under the bed. Did you sweep under the cupboard or cupboard? The thief went into that house through the window. That means the window was open. The train went through the tunnel. You have a long tunnel and the train goes right through. He looked through a small hole in the door. Small hole, you look. The dog went out of the garden through a hole in the fence. A hole and it goes right through. Ida is sitting between her father and her mother, so she's in the middle. There is a cow between the 2 trees in the middle. We live in a village between 2 hills, hill, middle. Hilda is leaning against the wall, that means you are actually resting on the wall. The fireman puts the ladder against the window, that means on the window. SMK Idris is playing against SMK Petrus, fighting with each other. Of course, it's a game, a competition. The driver drove against the traffic. What does it mean? What do you mean by driving against the traffic? That means all the cars are coming this way, but you are going this way. Wow. The old man walks slowly across the road from here to there. They take a ferry across the river from here to there. The boys run across the field. Same, a big field. They run from here, they run over there. I draw a line across the page. I take a ruler and a pencil and I draw across the page from the left to the right. Siti went to the market with her mother, 2 persons. I write with a blue pen. Mia is playing with her sister. That means 2 persons are playing together. Tira lives happily with her uncle and aunt, staying together. Okay? So, that's all for this lesson. Under, through, between, against, across, with. Okay? 24 sentences or statements to make you understand better. Okay? So, please don't forget to give me a WhatsApp if you want to buy this book. And on the 1st of July 2020, you can join my YouTube channel to see me or to watch me teaching this book, chapter 1. Okay, so 1 video, 1 chapter. You can follow until the end. Okay, and I hope that you become very good in English, really. Okay, so till we meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.